Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the best products in the market. Today, we've got something hot and powerful to talk about: the TGK-1800W Heavy-Duty Hot Air Gun Kit. This is the best heat gun available, and we're about to show you why. Let's dive right in and take a look at what makes this heat gun stand out from the rest. First, let's talk about power. This TGK heat gun boasts an impressive 1800 W of power, which means it can quickly heat up to a scorching 1202 in just 1.5 seconds. That's incredibly fast and perfect for crafters, DIYers, and professionals alike. But what really sets it apart are its dual temperature settings. You've got two modes to choose from: Mode I, which ranges from 122 to 572 with an airflow of 250 L-min. And Mode 2, which goes from 122 to 1202 with a whopping 500 L-min airflow. This level of control is fantastic for various applications. Safety is a top priority with the TGK heat gun. It's all certified and tested for fire-resistant materials, ensuring you can use it with peace of mind. Plus, it comes with overload protection, preventing any damage to the heat gun or circuit during prolonged use. Now, check this out. The kit includes 6 nozzle attachments that enhance its versatility. Whether you're working on shrink wrapping, PVC, epoxy resin, or even electronics repair, these nozzles have you covered. But it's not just about power, it's also about comfort. The TGK heat gun features a scientific ergonomic design. The handle provides an excellent grip, ensuring it's non-slip and labor-saving even during long periods of use. And speaking of build quality, the entire body is made of excellent PA6 plus 30% flame-retardant nylon composite material. This not only prevents high-temperature air from causing any damage but also ensures your safety. Now, here's something impressive: a 100% satisfaction guarantee with a lifetime free warranty. That's right, TGK stands behind their product, and they're here for you if anything happens. All these fantastic features, and the best part? The price. At just $29.99, it's available at a lower cost than many other similar products on the market. A true bang for your buck. So, there you have it, folks. The TGK-1800W Heavy-Duty Hot Air Gun Kit, the best heat gun available. With its incredible power, temperature control, safety features, and unbeatable price, it's a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more unbiased product reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this heat gun, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. Remember to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Until next time, stay tuned and stay critical.